Well, we broke our elbow going into the back of our hydraulic cylinder. The chain here slipped down and popped in there. It looks like my zip tie broke, and it snapped that baby right off. So we're gonna fix it. All right, look in here. Oh, aha. Oh. Looks right. Ah. Ooh. Fixed. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Success. Yeah. That'll do. So, in all seriousness, what we did there is we smashed the elbow going into the hydraulic cylinder there in the back. This chain, I had a zip tie on it, slipped down, fell behind there, and smashed the elbow. So we'll anchor that back in so it doesn't happen again. What we need to do now is we need to pull this filter or this fill plug here and top that baby back off of fluid, because what happened was it just like blew hydraulic fluid all over the place, so we don't want to burn our motor up by being stupid about shit. Thanks for watching. Bye.